everyone. Hello Akyas, Pit Boxer, Anamika, Ania, Afreen TKD. Hello everyone, welcome. So hello, good evening Afreen.
Good evening.
Right. So welcome to Fitness Warriors live session.
Thank you.
So we will be starting in 1 or 2 minutes and we can wait, right?
Okay.
Okay, so I would like to welcome Anamika, It's Killer Boy, Shibs, Adib. Then we have yes. So I would like to welcome each one of you guys. Welcome to the Fitness Warriors live session. And आज का session जो है that is going to be a mixed session, English, Hindi, Malayalam. So don't worry. So if you know Hindi, English और Malayalam, you can stay tuned right till the end. क्योंकि आज का session होने वाला है mix, सभी languages होने वाली हैं उसमें. So make sure that you stay connected. And आज के session में हमारे साथ होने वाले हैं none other than Afreen Mohammed, and he's also a great taekwondo player. He's a black belt holder and he has won lots and lots of medals at national levels. So it's going to be a great inspirational session from him. So I would like to welcome each one of you: Ajmal, Azad, Rahul, Anu, Roshan, Tony, Akshara, Ajin, Ajmal, Anamika, It's Killer Boy. So welcome to each one of you. Welcome Ashika. So thank you everyone that you have joined at this point of time, because it's 6:58 and I know that many of you might have other tasks. Many of you would have been having some workout sessions, but you found this live session very important and that's why you are here. So thanks for being here. So Solo Soul, welcome. Tattoo Boy, welcome. Dark Devil, welcome. Reina, Ajin, Hades. So welcome everyone. So right at 7 p.m. we will be starting. Shri Nandana, welcome. And before we just start, मैंने already Afreen के Instagram handle का जो link है वो share किया हुआ है in the comment section below. So you can go and check it out, because Afreen is also a great TKD player and वो भी बहुत सारा fitness content डालते हैं on his Instagram handle. So you can go and follow him, because he is someone from where you can get lots and lots of inspiration and motivation that into the field of sports. So Ashirwad, welcome. Chiku Pichu, welcome. Ritik, welcome. Yes, great. So right after, okay. So I would also like to mention over here that you all can ask questions from Afreen. So in case you want to ask anything, just let us know in the comment section below. आपको कोई भी questions पूछने हैं, आप नीचे comment section में पूछ सकते हैं, and we will be picking up those questions right after we finish off with the actual session. So in the last 5 to 10 minutes, we will be discussing all the questions that you want to ask from Afreen, right? Yes, so it's 7 p.m. and now it's time that I welcome the great special guest of this evening. So I would like to welcome Afreen Mohammed, and thank you Afreen for being here at this point of time with us. So I would like to welcome you at Fitness Warriors live session.
Thank you.
Right. So great. Okay. So Afreen, there are lots and lots of people, those who want to stay connected with you and they want to know the journey of how you were able to make achieve all that success that you were able to in the field of sports. So we will be starting in a short while. And before we start, I would like to share with you my own journey, who I am and why am I here. So my name is Aspen Kaur. I'm an 18-year-old international taekwondo athlete. Apart from that, I am a student, YouTuber, a fat loss expert, and obviously I am the founder CEO of a community named Healthy Aging Hub. So in case you want to go on for some sustainable weight loss, you can just DM me start and we can kickstart your fat loss journey in my community, that is Healthy Aging Hub, right? So now it's time to ask from Afreen, right? So Afreen, there are lots and lots of people, those who want to know who exactly you are and what are your next plans when it comes to doing sports or something related to academics. So please tell us something about you.
Hello.
Afrin, can you hear me?
Uh,
Okay, right. So Afrin, please tell us something about you. What do you presently do and what are your next plans?
my name is Hafiz Mohammed and I'm from Alapura, Kerala. My family consists of father, mother, brother, and I am basically studying in gold standard, um, and um, and training in Kerala State Sports Council Toronto.
Great, great. So, Afrin, we would like to know, how did Taekwondo start in your life? Means, how were you into doing Taekwondo?
As my brother joined Taekwondo, then I followed his path.
Okay, great. So, your brother is a great motivation for you, right?
Yes.
Yes. So, apart from your brother, who all have been there into that journey of supporting you and always there for you, who have stood up for you and always been there as a support for you when it had come to Taekwondo?
My family and coaches.
Great, great. So, Afrin, just tell us something about your family.
Family is my backbone and always there for me.
Great, great, great. Definitely. So, Afrin, there are lots and lots of followers of yours, lots and lots of fans. So, just give them a big hi, because they all are writing in the comment section that we are great, great, great fans
Hi,
of
hello.
Afrin. Right. So, according to you, Afrin, what are those things that have already or always kept you aligned, or have kept you close to Taekwondo? Means there are many things, many reasons, whether it could be discipline or something that you could have learned from Taekwondo. So, what were those things that have actually kept you inclined with Taekwondo?
I am this much determined because my brother is a Taekwondo player. So he showed me
Right,
that what is a Taekwondo player's life.
right, right,
And
right. So, apart from that, yes, yes.
is it-
So, Afrin, I think there is some network issue from your side. So, if you could just change the place wherever you are.
okay.
Okay, so I think Afrin got disconnected. So till then, मैं आप सभी को welcome कर रही हूँ. बिचुबा, हशिक्स, मिनू, गोविंदचारण, welcome, welcome, welcome. Then we have Manoshri, Jeet Prakash. Then we have Abin, RPM Racist, John Wick Chapter 3. Then Anji John. So I would like to welcome each one of you. Welcome to Fitness Warriors live session. And Bichuba is asking, what's your dream? So we will be asking this question from Afreen as soon as he gets connected with us. So let me just send invite for him to be here. Yes. So great. So he will be joining us in a short while. हमारे साथ थोड़ी ही देर में होने वाले हैं आफरीन मोहम्मद. I think there was some network issue on his side. No worries, we can wait for a while. So अगर तब तक आपको कोई भी क्वेश्चंस पूछने हैं, यू कैन डू आस्क मी. एंड इन केस अगर आप किक स्टार्ट करना चाहते हैं अपनी फैट लॉस जर्नी को, बिकॉज देयर इज अ लॉट्स एंड लॉट्स ऑफ डिफरेंस बिटवीन वेट लॉस एंड फैट लॉस. So just in case you want to kickstart your fat loss journey, what you can do is just DM me start, and I can help you achieve wonderful health results in just a short time span of 90 days. So, Ajin, hi. Right. So, Jeet Prakash, you are asking which belt am I in Taekwondo? I am a black belt holder in Taekwondo. I have represented India at international level. And let me just see if we have Afreen back. So, Afreen, I have just sent you a request for you to be live. Right. No worries. So, we will be having Afreen back in a few moments. So in case अगर आपको कोई भी क्वेश्चन पूछना है related to fat loss, yes. So we have Afreen back with us. So Afreen, is it now okay?
Yes, okay.
Great, great, great. So Afreen, we were talking about what were the reasons that actually kept you closed with your sport, that is Taekwondo. One, you mentioned your brother. So apart from that, what were the things that actually kept you close?
So confidence to achieve something.
Yes, definitely. So, Afrin, being a sports person, we all face or we have to face injuries and stress in our lives. So, in that case, what you do?
I face lot of injuries and I recover from them.
Right. So, in case of injuries, what is the thing that you would like to share or you would like to give as a suggestion to all the players, those who have joined here?
एक इंजरी आया तो रेस्ट करना पड़ेगा और हेलो
Yes, Afrin, it's audible.
रेस्ट
Right.
करना पड़ेगा और we have to work hard.
Definitely. So how has the journey been, Afrin, in your case? Means आप already बहुत टाइम से taekwondo कर रहे हैं. So बहुत सारे ups and downs रहते हैं taekwondo की journey में भी और या फिर कोई भी sports life में बात करें. So how has the journey been?
I sometimes I fail, this win, no matter.
Yes, definitely. Because failure is a part of anything that we want to achieve. No, without failures, it's impossible to achieve success. And even if without failing in our lives, if we are able to achieve success, that is going to be short-term success. So if you want to have or long-term results or want to achieve something for lifelong, we need to have some amount of failures because we get to learn lots and lots of things from our failures, right? So,
Yes,
Afrin, according to you, what is your greatest strength?
my brother.
Your brother. So, yes, I think you
Yes.
are greatly inclined towards your brother. He has been the one who has always motivated you to be into the game. He was the only reason that you started game. So, how is your personal bonding with your brother?
We fight sometimes, but
Right.
we are close.
Great. Definitely. Because we always often fight with our siblings, but we also learn lots and lots of things from them.
Without him, I can't achieve anything.
Definitely. So, Ajin is saying, try again, fail better, the world is yours. Definitely. So, yes. So now we would like to know something about an event in your life, whether it could be related to sports, which is still memorable. ऐसे कोई एक event जो आपको अभी भी याद हो and you have learned lots and lots of things from that one single event.
According to me, all events are memorable because all events taught me something new and make new friends.
So I would like to welcome Vimal, HRP, Hari God Krishna, IG Roro, Bhupinder Hazarika. Then we have Navya P. Nair. Then we have Sri Lakshmi, Samira Shamir. So I would like to welcome each one of you. Thanks for being here for Witness Warriors live session. And yes, so Afrin, there are many sports persons. Like if we have a big competition tomorrow, we crave for something sweet or something spicy. So in your case, do you crave something before the day of your big competition?
I like to eat light food like fruits, juices, like that.
Right, right. So before you just enter into the arena, before your big fight, so what you have that what are the things that you have in your mind?
The match.
Only match. So do you have a specific strategy?
First, I play what my mind says and coach says.
Definitely. So Ajin is asking for a big hi from your side, Afrin. You can say a big hi.
Hi.
Right. So we have Ben, IGLU, Megha Prakash, so Photoholic, IP, Apna Jalal, PM, Blocker. So welcome, welcome. Thanks for being here. So Afrin, tell us something about how you are balancing your academics as well as your sports. Because we are students as well as sports persons at the same time. So how do you balance both of them?
Very hard to handle both.
So what do you exactly do?
Hmm. In sports hostel, daily morning और evening workout है और स्कूल में जाना पड़ेगा.
So Afrin, if you want to mix Malayalam, Hindi, English, no worries because we have a mixed audience here. So अगर आपको mix करना है language को, you can just mix them,
Okay.
right? So yes, you were telling something about the sports hostel.
അവിടുന്ന് വർക്കൗട്ട് പിന്നെ സ്കൂളിൽ പോകണം. അത് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് വൈകിട്ടൊക്കെ ചില ദിവസം പഠിക്കും, ചില ദിവസം പഠിക്കില്ല.
Right. So what about before the competition? Means competition से पहले आपको कैसे workout sessions रहते हैं? What is your training schedule?
Sometimes 3 times daily workout, sleeping, relaxing. Like,
Right. So yes, Hari God Krishna is asking, are you Sai player?
yes, I am recently signed for Avi Sports Hostel.
Right. So Afrin, what are other hobbies that you have except sports?
Watching movies, listening to music,
Listening to music, right? So what
playing
kind of
games
music?
like
What kind of music do you like? Pop, trap, or whatever you like?
melody type.
Great. So who is your greatest role model when it comes to taekwondo? Any international player or whether it be male or female that you look towards as a role model?
Idehum,
Great. Oh. So what do you have to say about their performance at the recent Olympics? We saw Lee Dae-hoon going out in the round of 16. So what was your expectation?
I will ഞാൻ വിചാരിച്ച് ഗോൾഡൊക്കെ അടിക്കും. പിന്നെ ലൈക്ക്
ശരിക്കും ഞാനും വിചാരിച്ചായിരുന്നു ഗോൾ അടിക്കും, പക്ഷെ റൗണ്ട് ഓഫ് 16 ഔട്ട് ആയി പോയി, റൈറ്റ്?
yes.
So no worries, we can hope for the best. So what are your next plans, Afrin?
Next, after 12th, I am preparing for NDA and a medal for India.
So you are definitely going to continue sports along with studies, right?
Yes.
Right. Great. So in case all the persons, those who have joined us right here, if you want to ask any question, you can ask in the comment sections below, and we will be putting on all those questions towards Afrin. So we will be answering each question. So how he manages his academics and his training. So Anu is asking, how do you manage academics and training? I think he has already answered this question. So what's your big dream? Bichuba is asking.
Dream, achieve a medal in Olympics and to join army.
Yes. So do you look forward to going and applying in army, Afrin?
Yes.
Right. Great. So best wishes from our side and from all the participants, those who have joined today. So any questions, you can just let us know in the comment section below, and we will be putting on those questions towards Afrin. So Sabu, welcome. One Fast Life, welcome. Neeraj, welcome. Anil PK, welcome. Fairy Princess, welcome. Khadija Hafiz, welcome. So any questions, you can just, yes. So what was your first experience in sports hostel like?
I got so many friends there.
Right.
And I started enjoying hostel life.
Great. So I know many people, they have both positive and negative experiences at sports. So as you say, it was a positive experience for you, right?
Yes.
Great. So IG Alu YT is asking, what do you do in a panic situation in a match when you are thinking of winning a match, but you think you are going to lose? So what do you do at that point of time?
I take a deep breath and relax.
Right. So suppose Afrin, you know the other opponent of yours, and you know how the way that person is going to play, and you exactly know that the other person is better than you. So what do you tell yourself at that point of time?
I am the best I can.
Definitely. because whenever we are into that arena or in any battlefield, whether it be in cricket, whether it be in football, or whether it be in taekwondo, we always have opponents, and there are chances that the opponents are going to be much more better or high level players as compared to us. So in that situation, it's not about giving up, it's about telling yourself that yes, I am the best and I have to give my best. So it's not a race or where you have to prove others wrong and yourself right. It's a place where you have to perform at your level best, right?
Yes.
So any other questions, we can just have them. So welcome Dixon De Silva, Akia 38577. Right. So we have a question coming in. What makes you to continue in sports for long? Do you have any fixed goal?
Yes. To achieve a medal in Olympics.
Yes. So Ajin, I think your question is also asked with that. What is your dream, Afreen bro? So yes, he has just mentioned that he wants to win a medal for India. So any other questions? So by the time you all are asking questions, I would like to give a shout out for Afreen. You can just check the link that I have already pinned in the comment sections. You can just click on that link and go check out his bio. And in case you are not able to access this link, just click on the two uh, profile names that are coming at the top. You can just click on that and go check Afreen's profile, and you are gonna get some fitness content that he's gonna upload in the coming near future, right? So go and follow him.
Yes.
So any other questions? So Swati, welcome. Aslam, welcome. Alpha Human, welcome. MB Supportive, welcome. Samirul, welcome. Mr. Welcome. Jasleen, welcome. Great, great, great to have each one of you here. So yes, Hari God Krishna is asking what is your aim? So he has already answered that question. God Krishna, you can ask something else. So Mr. Spark is saying hi, hi, welcome.
Hi.
Great, great, great. So, Afreen, I would like to know what are the things that you have actually learned from Taekwondo, or it can be something, some good values that you have learned from all the past experiences in your life.
Patience and respect others.
Definitely. Because in sports, patience is something that pays off. There are not going to be
Yes.
all the times when we are going to win, and there are not going to be all the times when we are going to fail. So, patience is something that actually helps us. And respect is respect your opponent, respect the person, those who are supporting you in your life, into your career, into the journey where you are to achieving your goals, right?
Yes.
So, again, I would like to ask each one of you any questions for Afreen. Right. So I think there are no more questions. Yes. So who is your favorite coach? Ajin is asking who is your favorite coach?
All are my favorites.
Yes, definitely. Because it's very difficult to answer this question because we get to train under various coaches, and each and every coach actually teaches us or takes us to the next level of how we play and to the next level of a game. So we can't name just one single one who has been our favorite or someone who has been the best. So it's always a big thanks to all the coaches out there, those who are always there with us, helping us achieve whatever we want to in our life. Because they see in us what we cannot see in us. So they believe in us, and
Yes.
that's why we are able to achieve. So next question is, please tell your daily routine for fitness.
Morning 6 o'clock my workout start. Running like that.
So after workout,
Uh, or evening my taekwondo.
right? So you go to school, right? Morning workout, then school, then come back again workout, and then studies, right?
Yes.
Yes. So how do you take care of your diet, Afreen?
I don't take diet.
No, means being a sports person, we need to take proper care of our nutrition. So how do you take care of that?
Morning eat milk and egg like that. Morning.
Right. So once again, I would like to ask any other questions for Afreen? Yes, so I can see one question. Great, great, great. So any of the questions you can just type in the comment section below. Otherwise, we have come to the end of this session. So last 1 minute, in case you want to ask any question, अगर आप कोई भी question पूछना चाहते हैं आफरीन से, you can just ask. So who is your favorite partner to train with?
Occasionally changes.
Okay. No, Hari God Krishna is asking while you are practicing, who is your favorite partner that you practice with?
My brother.
Your brother, right. So what is your favorite nutritious food? This question is being asked by IGLUYT.
Protein foods.
Okay, right. So yes, so I think we have come to the end of this session. So once again, thank you, Afrin, for being here for today's live session, and thanks for being here. Yes. So Mr. Fly Rider is asking, what is your favorite bike?
I don't ride.
Okay, right. So that was the last question that we're gonna take for today. So Rio Anthony, hello. And now we have come to the end of this session. And thank you everyone for being here with us today. And once again, I would like to give a shout out for Afreen. You can go and check out the link that I have pinned in the comment sections below, or you can just click on the top where you can find the names of the Instagram handles. Just click on that and go check out his bio because he has some really cool fitness content coming in the near future. So yes, apart from that, if in case you are looking up for a sustainable fat loss and you are finding a personal health and fitness coach, what you can do is just DM me start and I will be there to help you with your fat loss journey. We have all sorts of programs available in case you want to have short results or fast results. We have 6 days fat burning challenge, and if you want to have sustainable health results, we have 90 days, 60 days and 120 days plan available. So let me know if you want to have one. And last question is from Hari God Krishna, which weight category is your favorite person from, right? So which weight category? So
I'm playing.
right. So yes, so thank you, Afrin. Thanks for being here with us today. Thank you for making some time for us. And we have come to the end of this session, and next week we will be having a really special guest. He is a bronze medalist in the G1 International Taekwondo Championship. He is Ashirwad Singla. He is also represented India at the World Cadet Championships held at Egypt. So make sure that you stay tuned for next Friday because we will be having none other than Ashirwad Singla. And now we have come to the end of this session. So thank you everyone for joining, and bye-bye. Bye, Afreen.
Bye.